And when you observed those photos, what did you see?
Very, very scared patients.
ba be ba tshogile e fela le ge go le bjalo ba ile ba iša makaleng ao e sego a mmušo ao a senago ditlabelwa tša maleba ba bangwe ba batšofe ba ile ba išwa mafelong a bana.
It was very part of the norm that the NGOs did not always know how many patients they were going to receive. They were expecting 10 and 40 would arrive. And that was part and parcel of what was happening during that time, is a lot of the NGOs didn't also know who the patients were. They didn't come with medical records or IDs.
ba bangwe ba išitšwe mafelong ao ntle le dihlare.
We received concerns from family members who had visited loved ones there, talking on how they looked really hungry. They were not wearing warm enough clothes. They were getting sick. Some patients were not getting their medication. They were also concerned, the reports we received from family members was that patients were not getting their medication and they were sharing it because they were not seeing any doctors.
balwetši ba monagano ba go feta lekgolo masomenne ba ile ba tlhokofala ka lebaka la tlala lenyora le phefo. Chambers o re temošo ga senke ya tšeelwa tlhogong.
What was the reason that the department wanted to move these patients from Life is Elimini?
According to the media release, it was due to terminating the service level agreement due to budgetary constraints.
ba bangwe ba bao ba ile ba šupša ka monwana phareleng ye ke molekgotla phetiši wa peleng wa maphelo Qetane Mahlangu, tlhogo phetiši ya malwetši a monagano Magabo Banamela le tlhogo ya lefapha Dr. Bani Selebano.
About testing my integrity, whether
lekala la bonamodi leo le bego le eteletšwe pele ke motlatša moahlodi yo a rwetšego marapo Dikgang Moseneke le ile la hwetša gore go bile le go tshela molao le go gataka molaotheo.
Milady, although this court is not bound by the findings of Justice Moseneke, we will submit that there is no good reason to depart from these findings. Even though those findings were made in the context of arbitration, they are directly relevant to these proceedings.
We represent Qedani Dorothy Mahlangu, and the essence of her testimony there and the statement that she made relating to this matter is that she was not personally responsible for any of these deaths. She acted on the advice of the medical specialists and doctors who were involved, and that the decision had been taken by the Gauteng Premier David Makhura, not her, to implement this process. Similarly, we are of the view that, with respect, that the findings of Justice Moseneke and the Commission aren't binding upon your ladyship.
go letetše gore tlhogo phetiši ya peleng ya Life is Elimini e fane ka bohlatse go SASSA. Ke Mage ke tla Mohlabe wa ditaba tša SABC Johannesburg.